Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Epson Workforce 633. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, a certain color just isn't printing, or overall in general you have some printing issues, and it's probably due to a clogged or dried up print head. This is a method you can go ahead and use that is going to help you clean up your print head, unclog it so that it can continue to print normally the way it's supposed to. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have your print head in place. Okay, wait for it to come out in place right there. You're going to go ahead and take these out. Now, as you notice here, these aren't original and these are running a little bit low. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. If you're running low on your ink, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and buy some new ink, and so that you can go ahead and once you're done with this process, you can go ahead and put some brand new ink in there, so that you can guarantee that your print head is not dried up and that there's good ink flowing through there. So you're going to need to have a paper towel just like this. It's already folded up, and you're going to want to put it right under here. Okay, it's right under there. Next, you're going to want to have a syringe, and you're going to want to have either you're going to want to have a syringe just like this. I'll leave a link in the description below for a syringe that is specifically for your Epson printer here. And I highly recommend that you go ahead and buy the kit that I linked below. It's going to be the first link. Under it is going to be the link for the ink. That rhymed. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and put it over just like that. And when you have your kit, you're going to have a lot more pieces that you can use. And you're going to go ahead and spray down that solution. And you go ahead and do that on each nozzle. I'm not going to do it here in the video, but that's kind of what you need to do. It's very self-explanatory. It's it's very easy to do. It's an easy thing that anybody can really do this. Just make sure that you have the right equipment, the right tools to do this, and you can hold it down like that with one hand and spray it down. But of course, with that kit, it's actually a lot easier. This is just my personal one that I use on all printers. It's a generic one. So that's all you really need to do. It's that simple. Once you're done, make sure you wipe everything down. Make sure there's no isopropyl alcohol down there. Make sure those these pins here are not wet, and go ahead and put in your brand new ink. That's really all there is to it. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.